Hello and welcome to the Pure Property Maintenance and Appfolio integration demonstration. Today we're going to show you how Pure Property Maintenance specifically integrates with Appfolio, specifically with the work order flow, how to set up the Pure PMX integration, and then how to manage the work order process from here on out. So to set up the integration, what we're actually going to do is add Pure Property Maintenance as a user. And the way we integrate is through an email. So all we need is an email notification when a new work order is submitted, and your data will automatically be imported into the Pure Property Maintenance software. So we're going to go to users, new users. And so once you're on the new user screen, all you'll simply need to do is input the email address that we give you, and you can give us any name. Typically, I recommend putting the name of your account representative. In this case, I'll use my own, and then role. We're simply going to be a maintenance coordinator, okay? And if you're wondering if we will have access to your software, the answer is no. At no point will we need a password for you, or will we ever need to access your account. We simply need an email notification. So view all properties and groups, you're going to hit save. Boom, and we're set up as a user. So now that the maintenance request has been submitted, we can head over to purepmx.com to log into our Pure Property Maintenance dashboard. To do so, you simply select the login button in the top right window. Once clicked, it'll automatically redirect you to your portal where you can see all the properties that you manage and some cool features that we have. You can see right now there's 0 work orders in the queue. Completed work orders is 0. And you can see open jobs, completed jobs. You can chat with a maintenance professional. You can submit work requests, and then you can change personal settings. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Appfolio and submit a work order from the tenant portal to show you how it directly integrates with our solution. A common question that we get is, how will tenants submit work orders if they're going to use the Pure Property Maintenance software? And the cool answer is, while we do have a direct integration with your website, we can embed forms in your website that would bypass this as a standalone solution. We can also utilize your existing tenant portal. That way you don't have to reinvent the wheel, so to speak, when you transfer to Pure Property Maintenance. You can go ahead and utilize the programs that you're already using, such as this tenant dashboard. So as you'll see here, a tenant will simply go to the maintenance request maintenance. They've got the address and the whole 9 yards, and they'll say, my furnace is not working. It is cold. They can add photos just as usual, and they can give the technician permission to enter the property. They hit submit request, and remember, this is all done through Appfolio. So boom, there we go. We've got an open maintenance request. Now that the work order has been submitted and you head back over to your Pure Property Maintenance dashboard, you'll automatically see that that work order has populated itself and you did not have to do any work. So you'll see it here as an open work order number 151, and you'll be able to track its status by simply clicking on it. You'll see the details. Hey, the furnace is not working, it's cold. Whether it's open, we've got it scheduled, it's in progress, it's under review, or it's completed. Now, if you need to approve this work order, you can always do so by simply going in here and selecting approved or denied, right? You can always see what technician or company is working on this specific project, how much time they have into it, what materials they've bought, and then as this project grows, you'll see a list of dates and what the vendor actually did at the property during that time. So you'll have unparalleled documentation going forward from here on out. So that's extremely exciting. Now that the work order has been approved, we would actually send a technician to complete that work. It's completely off your plate at that time. And once that work is complete, we still want to keep you in the loop. So as you can see, the technician goes to the job, and once they're at the job, they're required to submit quite a bit of information. Once they're done, they'll actually complete the work order so you know the exact status of all your work orders. So you'll have a list of any completed works. You can also separate it here by open jobs and completed. But let's take a look. So the technician completed this job, same work order 151, same address, right? So what ended up happening is they logged time and materials against this job. So total hours they were there for 2, they logged $131 in materials, which they will provide a receipt and attach it to this work order, so you will always have receipts. We take pride in not upcharging our materials. So next, you're going to see the issue, and what's exciting here is you're going to see the project summary by the technician. Of course, I'm my own technician on this this work order. So here's what happened. I arrived at the property at 1 p.m. and was let inside by the tenant. Once inside, I completed a 10-point inspection of the furnace and determined that the thermostat was bad. I replaced the thermostat and reset the furnace. The property is warm. So a complete turnaround. You can see pictures here of the work that was done. You can download those, send to your owners, put them on your owner's portal. There's a lot you can do with these. You'll also have materials receipts right here, and you'll actually be able to view a video of the work that was done. So that's super exciting. That's real cool. That doesn't happen in all cases, but it's something that we can work out on the bigger jobs. So that's a brief demonstration of the pure property maintenance and Appfolio demonstration. We thank you for the opportunity to work with you, and we look forward to serving your maintenance needs.